Our next topic is 5 basic stroke in massage therapy. So we have effleurage, second is petrissage, third is friction, fourth is tapotement, and 5 is vibration. Effleurage is also known as gliding and sliding. So, meron po tayong mga variation. No? Variation under effleurage. So, we have one-handed. Under ng one-handed, we have sub-variation, raking, ironing, and circular. Then we have two-handed, heart, and circular. Third is alternate hand, raking, circular, and nerve stroke. So ito po yung effleurage. So yung apat na variation nyo uli is one hand, two-handed, alternate hand, and nerve stroke. Next is petrissage, also known as kneading. So we have variation under petrissage. So we have one-handed, two-handed, alternate hand or thumb, pulling, and skin rolling. So under two-handed, we have sub-variation of two-handed, the fraying hand, and the ocean wave. The third massage stroke is friction. Friction, also known as rubbing. So, the friction have variation, the superficial warming, rolling, ringing, cross fiber, chucking, and circular. Under superficial warming, we have sewing. The fourth stroke of massage therapy is we have tapotement or tapoma, also known as percussion. So the variation of tapotement, we have tapping, pinchment, pounding, rapping, cupping, clapping, slapping, hacking, quacking, diffuse. The sub-variation of tapping, we have punctuation, pulsing, and raindrops. The last stroke of massage therapy is vibration, also known as shaking. So the variation of vibration is fine, jostling, and coarse. So, ito po yung 5 basic stroke ng massage therapy. Then, the next topic is the demonstration of the 5 basic stroke of massage therapy.